Hi everyone, hope you all are great. Today it's not the time to ask you how are you and everything. Today just a one news I wanted to share with you. Y'all must be aware that yesterday, maybe around late night, Government of India has declared 59 Chinese website that is banned in India. Now y'all can see the screen. On the screen itself there are 59 sites. So I just request you all not to order anything from this site, or maybe not to deal with any kind of this websites. Now you will be having some questions in your mind, if I have already ordered, whether my parcel will be delivered, or if I have already dealt with, like I've already have some communication or already going on with their websites, then what to do? Then in that case I'll be having some of the contact numbers, whichever contact numbers I have in my contact list. I'll be mentioning that all contact numbers in the description box, so kindly contact them if possible. I'm not sure whether they will pick up the call or no. I'm not sure whether they will reply it or no, and I'm not sure about your money. It is just a suggestion from my end, since my channel is all about shopping, makeup and everything. So I thought of sharing it with you. Definitely you all must be aware of it. I'm not telling you that I'm the first person to inform you, but this is my duty. I thought this is my duty to inform you, because 2 days back only I have shared one of the kurta haul from Club Factory. Even in that also y'all can understand, because even I was not aware. My also money I think is stuck, but that is okay. I have already received the product, though it is a wrong product, but I have already received the product. I am not sure how I can help you, but this is a small request to all of you not to order from this 59 websites. You all can see these are 59 websites. The source of this, like I have, you can see it is my mobile. I have taken this information from the Indian Express itself. If you want to have more detailed information, you can visit Indian Express website. In that they have given you all these 59 websites details. So if possible, just go through it and do not deal with right now with this all websites. It's my small humble request. And if you already have ordered, just contact them by mail or just call them up. I'm not sure how you can do it, but definitely if possible, whoever's contact number I have in my list, I'll definitely giving you all that information. And the first and for almost the first app you can see is TikTok. It is already banned in India. Second one, the major sites I'm talking about, Shein is banned in India, Club Factory is banned in India, Likee is also banned in India, Romwe is also a clothing items and all, it is banned in India. So all these websites are right now banned in India. So y'all can definitely contact them. Whoever, like whichever way I'll be helping you, I can definitely help you. Just let me know in the comment section what kind of help you want from my end. Definitely I'll try to help you in that all things. So I hope this is actually a very small informative video which I wanted to share, and this is just the 59 websites. If you want to take a screenshot, definitely take a screenshot, keep it with you, and do not deal right now with all these websites. Future, I'm not sure what is going to happen, how the government of India will deal, I'm not sure, but right now this all are banned. So please don't deal with any of these things right now. It's a request. Thank you so much for watching. I will not tell you to subscribe. I will not tell you anything in this video, because this is just an informative video. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any query, just mention in the comment section. If possible, I'll try to help you in that things. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.